Hello guys and welcome here. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm about to share with you my new makeup finds of Ross and Burlington. You guys, I found some really good stuff. I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, I do a tons of shop with me videos here. Please don't forget to subscribe, and in case you enjoy watching this one, give me a thumbs up. Now you guys, let's begin. They had this new here highlight mermaids from Lime Crime. This is a highlighter palette going for $16.99 at Ross. And they had this Chillin' in Chicago BH Cosmetics palette. Last time we found brush set from this collection. This time they had this palette. So it has 16 eyeshadows, very pretty shades for $7.99. And they had these Milani Gilded Jewel eyeshadow palettes. The packaging is really pretty. That's how the shades looks like. It was for $4.99. And they had this BH Cosmetics M204 false eyelashes for $3.99. From Seattle, London, they had these really pretty looking marble metals metallic glitter eyeshadows. These were for $5.99, and I found it in these 4 different shades. Also from Seattle, London, they had these Glow 2 highlighters in 2 different shades. This shade is for lighter skin tones, and then they had this gold one for deeper skin tones for $7.99. Also from Lime Crime, they had this new here Lid Light single eyeshadow in the shade Gold Road. This was for only $5.99. I also did found these Lip Pop satin lipsticks from Lime Crime in 2 different shades in the shade Sangria, and also they had this shade right here as well, Gold Star, for $5.99 each. From Lorac, they had this new here Pro Blurring Translucent Loose Powder for only $4.99. From Too Faced, they had these primed and peachy cooling matte perfecting primers here at Ross for only $7.99, very affordable. And they also had this peach mist as well for $14.99, full big size of product. They also had this set here from MAC. We have found it at TJ Maxx for $14.99. Here I found it for only $12.99, so $2 cheaper than TJ Maxx. At Burlington, I found these Estee Lauder lipstick trios. The shades looks really gorgeous. This set was for $24.99. From Becca, they had this setting mist for $9.99. I found it at TJ Maxx for $9.99 as well, and this product is pretty good. And they had this new here from Smashbox. So before we have found other 2 scents, Earth and Water, this time they had this Fire and Air as well. These are primer water duos going for $12.99. Also from Smashbox, I found these Cover Shot Punked Eye Palettes. New here, and the shades looks very gorgeous for $14.99. From Brand Clinique, they had this new set here, Jet Set Travel Ready Eyes and Cheeks. So you get mascara and 2 blushes, very gorgeous set, and I love the packaging for $14.99. I was so thrilled to see this Kiss Me All Day Laneige Glowy Lip Balm Trio. So it has 3 different lip balms in the flavor berry, pear and peach. It was for only $14.99, pretty good value if you want to try this out. And at Burlington, I found this set new here from Estee Lauder. So as you can see what you get inside, it looks pretty good. It was for $24.99, where at TJ Maxx we find these type of sets for $29.99. Also at Burlington, I found this Clear Improvement Mask Duo. I was so surprised to see price tag of this. It was for only $9.99, and this mask is really good. I have used this in the past. Also, they had these single Laneige glowy lip balms. This was in the flavor peach for only $6.99, where as we all know at TJ Maxx we find it for $9.99. From the balm, they had this Meet Matte Hugshi's 2 long-lasting liquid lipsticks. I love the balm makeup. Their makeup is very nice. So this was for only $5.99. And also they had this new here from Buxom full-on plumping lip cream in the shade White Russian for $5.99. Also at Ross, they had this new here from Milk Makeup. This is Coverage Duo in the shade Medium. So this basically is a concealer. It was for only $5.99. Brand Lorac, they had this Pro Eye Pencil in the shade Aqua, and they also had one single piece of lip liner which was in this pinky kind of shade. Both of these products was for only $3.49. At Ross, they had this new hair from Lime Crime Unicorn Hair Star Mist. It looks really fun, going for only $5.99, and it was in the shade Twilight. They also had this new hair from Milk Makeup at Ross. So this is a metal lip for $4.99 in the shade Buffy. They also had these gorgeous looking lavish elegance 15-piece brush set with cosmetic bag from BH Cosmetics for $16.99 only. And also they had this from BH Cosmetics highlighting essentials looks awesome 7-piece brush set for only $9.99. And also they had this one right here, smoky eye essentials 7-piece brush set, looks amazing for $7.99. I love BH Cosmetics brushes and you can all the time find it at Burlington. They also had this Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Net Worth for $9.99. And they has this product from Laneige. It is for $22.99 at TJ Maxx. Here I found it for only $12.99. And also you guys, they had this Disco Gloss from Winky Lux in the shade Night Fever for $3.99. Also from Winky Lux, they had this mini discos, looks really cute. The packaging is super cute. It was for only $4.99. And they had this from Winky Lux, so it has a liquid lipstick and lip liner. It is for only $4.99 as well. And they had this everlasting liquid lipstick from Kat Von D in this shade right here for $4.99. And they also had this really good looking perfect pair 3-piece glowing complexion collection from Laura Geller in the shade Light for $5.99. And they had this corrector from Pixi for $4.99. And this palette we have found last time. It is for only $6.99. From Clarins, they had this lotion toner. I don't know why it looks half used, very weird, but it was for $12.99. And you guys, they had a bunch of Marc Jacobs lip products marked down here. So this is a lipstick for only $3.99. I can't focus the shade here. And also they had this Runway 2018 single eyeshadow in the shade Smoky for $3.99. And they had this liquid lip crayon in this shade right here. It was also marked down for only $3.49. And they also had this metallic liquid eyeliner in the shade 3-2 marked down to $3.99. This Too Faced Diamond Light we have seen last time, going for $19.99. And they had more of these Love Light from Too Faced blended by the light. These are for only $12.99 each. From Seattle, London, they had these Glitter Flip Transforming Glitter Liquid Lipsticks in 3 different shades. These are for $3.49. This product looks pretty cool. They have these new lashes from Kiss Blowout Lash. It looks really cute. This was for only $3.99 at Burlington. And they had this from Milani Stay Put Brow Pomade for $3.99. And also they had this brow pencil and crayon from Milani for $3.99. And I also did found couple of different shades in these. Ross, they had these 70% organic Hoola SPF 30 for only $8.99, where at TJ Maxx these are for $12.99. And also they had this SPF 50 again for only $8.99. And they also had this product from Philosophy Glazed Paris Souffle for only $6.99, very affordable. And they had this from Honest Beauty Smoothing Daily Moisturizer for $7.99. And also they had this Hello Cheekbones from It Cosmetics. We have seen this in the past for $12.99. And they had this set right here from Becca. So these are the products you get inside, going for only $11.99. And they had this Cora Organic Sun Kissed Glow Body Oil for $19.99. They had this Be Legendary Smashbox lipstick marked down for $6.49. I love Smashbox lip products. They also have these 2 products from Primera, Glow is All You Seed skincare set, and also this peeling gel. This brand is really good, and both of these products are for only $9.99, marked down at Ross. And they also had this Dr. Brand Glow Ruby Crystal Retinol Light Transforming Skin Illuminator for $16.99. Also had this here from Pure. This is pillow blend collection. These looks really weird to me, but the packaging is cute. It was for only 7.99. At Burlington, they had this BH Cosmetics waterproof gel eyeliners for 2.99, and they also had this infallible total cover L'Oreal contour and concealer kits. These are for 5.99. It looks really nice, and they had this L'Oreal Visible Lift Luminous Serum Tint in these two different shades for 3.99 each. Had this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator for 3.99, and they had this BH Cosmetics Mattifying Face Primer for 3.99. From brand Pacifica, they had this Activation Crystal Body Roller. I don't know what is this all about, you guys. For the first time I see this for 3.99, and they had this small little Real Technique brush set for 2.99. Also find really good perfumes here at Burlington. So as you can see, they have these two different ones from Marc Jacobs, Dot and Honey for 34.99. At Ross, they had this number 7 gift set. It looks like it was free with something, but they are selling it here for 5.99. So this is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.